Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Highland, local and long-distance movers near me. Being concerned about transporting your belongings long distance is quite natural. A long distance move is complex and has many things to consider. How successfully you settle in depends on how well you relocate your belongings to your new home. With 3 movers at the helm of affairs, you'll get your belongings delivered to your new home swiftly. Also, our movers and drivers are skilled, efficient, and dependable. We have a permit to transport the household goods over great distances. Our drivers follow every highway regulation, and they are also efficient and fast so that they get to your new property on time. Our movers will also load your belongings with care, separating fragile and light goods from heavier ones. Our moving trucks are of high grade, and they are roomy and well balanced to make sure they keep your belongings safe and secure. Our insurance policy also covers your belongings. We offer the most efficient local moves if you move within less than 50 miles from your current location, and it isn't always easy finding a moving company in Highland that can give you prompt service and provide your rates of $30 to $40 per hour. 3 Movers provides locals with a quick and satisfactory move. Because of our excellent customer service, locals are quick to recommend us. Our low hourly rates charge of roughly $30 to $40 ensures that our clients receive the best service at a reasonable cost. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Highland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.